Hi, I'm the herb guy. My top 3 herbs from each state. Number 2, Alaska.
We're on to the next state, Alaska. Alaska has a huge variety of flora to choose from, so I picked my top 3. And let's get started on number 1, juniper berries. Juniper berries have been used for thousands of years as a medicine, food source, and even a food preservative. They're shown to be safe for humans and animals, and they cover a wide range of conditions. The berries and essential oils are used, and they're known to help with inflammation, arthritis, pain relief, hypoglycemia, and diabetes. Juniper berry is a powerful antimicrobial herb and has shown in many kinds of studies to fight off bacteria, viruses, and fungi, and is even pretty potent against some forms of cancer. Pretty neat, huh? Not to mention that juniper berries are what gives gin its flavor. You know, like a gin and tonic. The berries are used as a tea or eaten raw. You can also powder them and make them into capsules, turn them into an extract, or whatever works for you. Number 2 is fireweed. Fireweed is a popular herb found all over the northern parts of North America, and Alaska is rather northern. Fireweed is a relaxant and healing herb, whether it's used internally or externally. One of the most important finds of fireweed is the ability to help with prostate cancer and inflammation of the prostate cells, also known as hyperplasia, which is a precursor to cancer. To use fireweed, you can use the whole plant, from the root to the seeds, to make a tea, capsules, or tincture, but be careful, too much can cause diarrhea. Remember, everything in moderation. Number 3 has to be rhodiola. Rhodiola is actually considered an adaptogen. Dr. Kirsten, we need to do our video. Rhodiola is an unsung hero when it comes to mental health. It's known to help with anxiety, depression, stress, insomnia, mental fatigue, and can actually help improve brain function. Some studies have shown how rhodiola can help manage diabetes and blood sugar, increase exercise and athletic performance, and even fight off certain cancers. The root of rhodiola can be used as a tea, capsule, or extract, whatever works for you. Now, thanks for your patience as I continue this series, and I hope you're enjoying it so far. If so, let me know in the comments, and give it a like and a share because it really helps me out. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Bye.